Good morning, guys. So we almost missed the train this morning. Oh, I'm sorry, very sorry, but this vlog I'm probably gonna speak a lot of Dutch with English because I'm here today with Elfie, Brian, Iltje. We're here with the Dutch crew and we just got in a train from Amsterdam Central Station and we're heading to Paris. Yay! I haven't been in Paris in so long, so I'm super excited. We're gonna stay all together with the girls. Yeah, we're just gonna like eat, shop. Obviously we're there during Paris Fashion Week, so I will take you guys along. Tada! Here we are.
De kamers zijn nu vol en Rien en ik slapen nog nergens.
So finally we arrived in our little apartment in Paris. It's actually super cute here. And then I'm gonna show you guys here. Okay, so now we're gonna fit here. We're gonna change and then we're gonna head out to a show, I think. A lunch. So, okay, transformation in 20 minutes. And we're gonna go to the show. This is my look. And this is to finalize it. So this is like the trench coat from TV. Super cute. And here all the other girls are dressed. Are you guys excited?
Yes.
Are we all gonna walk on heels all day long? Oh no, you're comfortable. Yeah, I'm really excited. Also my hair. I need to like make it flat. So we're here at Café Fufu, a little spot that I discovered on Instagram. And because we cannot all read French, we are looking it up on our phone. But the only thing I see is avocado toast. I just got ready with my long sleek dress and we're heading to a Levi's dinner and then we're gonna go to an Yves Saint Laurent dinner. No, I'm saying party, which is gonna be a lot of fun. Everyone is like dressed up, everyone is in black. And I have a super cute little bag by far. They also have really cool like shoes and stuff, but this I really love. Well, let's go. So we got back in the apartment and we're gonna make a very funny picture. Rianne came up with this idea, and Rianne is my favorite influencer because she always makes like funny posts.
Thank you.
So she had a really funny one for today in mind, and I'm gonna take you guys with how we're gonna make this picture.
It's gonna be very short.
Very curious. Let's see. Yeah, we're just gonna like go. We're just gonna go outside.
Let's go.
Let's go. We're going into the Dior showroom. So exciting! Yeah, we're here at the Arc de Triomphe.
Oui. Okay.
And now we lost. Mickey, where do we go? She's the tour guide, you see, with her umbrella. Follow her! So guys, I am on the way to a little cafe where I'm going to meet my friend Derek, who you guys have seen. Yeah, we're gonna grab a juice and then I'm going to take a couple more pictures. Ooh, my hair is crazy. I'm gonna take a couple more pictures. We want to go somewhere to a rooftop with like a really nice like view, but we still need to find it. So maybe for next trip, if you guys know a place, then I should go there. Anyway, I'm heading inside and I will see you guys when I come home. Testing out the new iPhone, guys. Is it better than the vlog camera or is it not?
Wide angle. You need a wide angle if I'm in the shot.
Yeah, you're so tall. So tall. Oh, okay. I'm gonna head out. Alrighty.
Thank you for my juice.
Yeah, I'm gonna put down my phone. Ik heb dit ding nog nooit gezien in Parijs. Okay. It has been raining for like 3 days straight almost. So I'm in the bathroom, I'm going to get ready, and you guys are not gonna believe how this bathroom looks because we're here with like 8 girls and we're in like 2 bathrooms. I'm just literally scared to show you. This is so nasty. Well, I'm gonna get ready. So, big step for me. I have been like changing my my foundation, which I was always using the Giorgio Armani, and recently I'm using the Dior Forever Skin and the Dior other Forever Skin in I think 2 and 2.5. I'm gonna mix them. Okay, I'm gonna do a super natural look because we don't really have a lot of time because we're gonna go for some breakfast. It's so much fun because there are like a lot of like really cute breakfast spots in Paris now. Like 5 years ago, when I was living here, the only thing you could go eat for breakfast was like croissant and a coffee. But now they're having all these like super cute like hot spots. And literally every time I come back, there are like new ones. So if you have a recommendation, which is your favorite spot in Paris, then let me know in the comments down below. So, And on top, I'm gonna put the Rosy Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. I really like this lip gloss. I used to never really like lip gloss, you know. I love it. Got all my stuff. De muziek. Au revoir. So guys, this was Paris. We're gonna head back home. It was only like 2.5, 3 days. It was so short, but it was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Come with me. If you liked the video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys very soon.